Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking you on a breathtaking journey to one of Asia's most magical destinations, Ocean Park, Hong Kong. And joining us on this adventure is Fly High Travel, your ultimate travel companion. Get ready to discover the wonders of this ocean-themed park while saving money with our budget travel tips. Let's dive right in. As you step into Ocean Park, Hong Kong, you'll be captivated by its unique blend of marine life, thrilling rides, and breathtaking scenery. But before we explore, let's talk about how Fly High Travel can make your visit even more incredible without breaking the bank. Hey there, fellow travelers. At Fly High Travel, we believe in making your travel dreams a reality while keeping your budget intact. We offer exclusive deals on flights, accommodations, and attractions, including Ocean Park, Hong Kong. Let me show you how we can make your experience unforgettable and affordable. Step 1. Visit flyhightravel.com and search for our Ocean Park, Hong Kong package. You'll find special discounts on tickets and bundled packages that include accommodations and transportation. This way, you can enjoy a seamless and budget-friendly adventure. With your Fly High Travel package in hand, it's time to explore the wonders of Ocean Park, Hong Kong. Let's discover the magic together. Our first stop is the mesmerizing Grand Aquarium. Immerse yourself in a world of vibrant marine life as you walk through a 360-degree underwater tunnel. Marvel at the majestic rays, graceful sharks, and colorful tropical fish. It's an enchanting experience that will leave you in awe. Next up, get your adrenaline pumping on the hair-raiser roller coaster. This thrilling ride takes you on twists, turns, and exhilarating drops with breathtaking views of the park and the ocean beyond. Hold on tight and feel the rush. For a unique perspective of Ocean Park, Hong Kong, hop on the cable car ride. Soar high above the park, enjoying panoramic views of the lush greenery, stunning coastline, and even glimpses of wildlife. It's a peaceful and scenic journey you won't want to miss, calling all animal lovers. At the dolphin encounter, you can interact with these intelligent creatures up close. Learn about their behaviors, watch their playful antics, and even get a chance to touch and feed them. It's an unforgettable experience that will warm your heart. At Fly High Travel, we understand that unforgettable experiences don't have to come with a hefty price tag. By booking your Ocean Park, Hong Kong adventure with us, you can save money and make the most of your visit. Whether you're seeking thrilling rides, enchanting animal encounters, or breathtaking views, Ocean Park, Hong Kong has something for everyone. And with Fly High Travel as your ultimate travel companion, you can enjoy all of this while staying within your budget. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your travel buddies and head to Fly High Travel. Come to book your Ocean Park, Hong Kong adventure today. Discover the magic, have the time of your life, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting travel adventures with Fly High Travel and Travel Vibe. Until next time, happy travels.